With so much going on in the market, welcome back to the channel. Hit that subscribe button and like, and let's go ahead. So much going on in the market. Market is up right now because this is one of my main topics I want to talk about, but I'm just gonna come right back to it. Okay, let's go over what is expected. Happy Monday. A lot is on the table for this week, but technical aspect is not kicking it right now. It's just what's happening overseas is bringing all the fear to the market and bringing all the upside to the market and all the downside. But let's go over what is to come. The Federal Reserve is holding rate. We know that, so therefore we're not getting any interest rate for now. But some speculation is saying that coming next month we could see some rate cut. And Friday regular PCE price not going to really move the market much. But look at over time. Look what happening to Nasdaq right now. This is extended hours, and if you can see that we're up over 160 points, guys, we're almost at all-time high. And what have contributed to this is nothing other than the president came out and said, "I'm gonna get back to Tesla." Hold that thought for a minute. The president announced that Israel ceasefire in a timeline, and both side end the war. So basically, there's no more war. It's done. Even though the US has bombed Iran, okay? And 10-year Treasury yield is killing it, killing it, coming back down, which is what we want to see. And once this continues to go down, you know what happened in the market. All right, let's get into the real good stuff that's going on. So Tesla came out with the robo taxi in Houston. This was yesterday, yes, and today it has crashed already, and which is expected. But let's look at Tesla 3 months ago when Tesla was trading at $227, 227, and look at the stock right now. I tell people all the time, you can't count Tesla out. There's no way you can count this guy out. Elon Musk is a genius and he's here to stay. And it's only going to get better and better and better and better. But better than that, Supermicro Computer announced that they're doing some $1 billion buyback or something like that. But do your due diligence at all time. I don't want to get it confused, but regardless of that, the stock pulled back over 9% today, which is good because pulling back is always a buying opportunity in the market. So when Supermarket Computer announced this today, the stock pulled back to around, I would say, like $40 a share, and extended hours, the stock is already up, trading over $42.29. So this is one of my favorite stock for this year, and as it pulled back, I will continue to watch it and buy the lows and sell the highs because it's very aggressive, and when it do pull back, it normally finds some correction, and we can see that market is crazily overbought. So it's something that I'm watching, and kudos to who bought SoFi at $8 and now enjoying profit because it's at 1561. That's a great stock to hold for the rest of the year. I can tell you that with no regrets. So I'm watching, but the next big stock I'm looking to buy is nothing other than Quadcom. Why? Because I see a lot of upside in Quadcom, but it just have to find its solid ground and continue to move higher. So that's one stock I'm watching closely. And Reddit was killing it. Now it's pulling back, but I can tell you by the end of this year, the stock will be trading at least over $300 a share with good and better earnings. And Okta is a stock that I've been watching also, but boy, it's just not consistent. But again, the pattern, I love the pattern and I love the upside. I'm just waiting for this stock to push over 104, then we're back in play and we can see a lot more upside from there. And IMS this morning pulled back tremendously. Why? Because news came out that they break partnership with another dealer. But again, you have to do your due diligence because that on the top of my head, I remember all of these news that caused this pullback. But I can tell you that IMS is a good buy when it finds support. So again, all-time high $72 and pullback range, and support is at 23. So this is something that I will be watching for time to tell, because I definitely see some more downside in this stock. But pharmaceutical is stocks that you have to go into and hold for a while, because look at this, push, 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 got rejected, and for the last, and we just enter a bearish position on this stock. So I will definitely not get in this stock no time soon. So again, my support falls at $23, and we look like we normally find support from this stock is at like $5. So again, do your due diligence. It can pull back tremendously more. It doesn't have to find any support anywhere here. But other than that, overseas news is causing the market to rise now. And I love to say, again, market is almost at all-time high. Once market pushed at all-time high, we know what it always does is correct itself and then try to make a new high again. But until then, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. And tomorrow, not a lot of economic data is expected to be released tomorrow. Only at 10 a.m. we're expecting to get consumer confidence. And with that said, I will be informing you guys. I will be traveling, so I will be informing you as I go, mostly by a short, because I'm not taking my computer with me and stuff to make videos. But I will inform you what's going on in the market and how can we benefit from these pullbacks and tremendously profit from these lows, and when they're turning around and market is showing signs of higher end. So until then, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. You know what to do.